Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Bluestacks. First, you'll need to download the Bluestacks emulator from its official website. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, typically including at least 4 GB of RAM and a dual-core processor, for optimal performance. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Once Bluestacks is successfully installed, open the application and navigate to the Google Play Store. You'll find it on the home screen, much like on an Android phone. Use the search bar at the top to look for Roblox. When you find the official Roblox application, simply click the Install button. The download and installation process will begin automatically, usually taking just a few minutes depending on your internet speed. To ensure the best Roblox experience, it's wise to optimize Bluestacks settings. Go to the Bluestacks settings menu, usually accessible via a gear icon. Under Performance, consider allocating at least 4 CPU cores and 4 GB of RAM for smoother gameplay. Additionally, explore the Game Controls section to set up custom key mapping, allowing you to play Roblox with your keyboard and mouse just like a PC game, enhancing your precision and enjoyment. With Roblox installed and Bluestacks optimized, you're ready to play. Find the Roblox icon on your Bluestacks home screen and click to launch it. You'll then be prompted to log in with your existing Roblox account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Once logged in, you can browse and select any game you wish to play. Enjoy the vast world of Roblox with the enhanced performance and controls offered by Bluestacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.